In this video, we're going to learn how to pad a string with leading 0 characters using the zfill string method in Python. So if we have a string like this, string is equal to ABC, we can pad this string with leading zeros using the zfill string method. So then down here, we'll call the zfill string method with our string. The method is going to return a new string, and we'll assign that new string to this variable here, new string. Now the zfill string method accepts as an argument the length of the new string. So for example, if we put 8 here, then this string is going to be padded with enough zeros to make the length of the new string 8 characters total. So in the case of this string here, we should have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then ABC. Because the original string length is 3, it would take 5 leading 0 characters of padding to reach 8 characters total. Down here, we could output this new string. We'll have print new string to output the new string. We can save our program and try it out. And we do get back the string 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, ABC. Now, if the length that we provide here as an argument is less than or equal to the length of the original string, then we'll just get back the original string. So for example, if we put 2 here, and then we save our program and try it out, then we just get back the original string, ABC. Now, if we have as a first character in the string either minus or plus, the leading zeros are going to be applied after that character. So for example, let's set this back to 8. Then here, we'll have minus as the first character in the string. If we save our program and try it out, here we see that the leading zeros are applied after that first character. It will be the same way if we put plus here. So here we'll have plus. And then we'll save our program and try it out. And again, we see that the leading zeros are applied after that first plus character. So this is how we can use the zfill string method in Python to pad a string with leading 0 characters.
Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.